I'm what you call a theoretical particle physicist, and my job is to make theoretical predictions for observables that can be measured at particle colliders such as the Large Hadron Collider. The goal of modern particle physics is to find little deviations from our standard description of particle physics in the hope to find new particles, new forces, new phenomena that cannot be explained by our current understanding of physics. In order to do this, you need to compare results from experiments to predictions from the standard model. These particle collisions are actually very messy, and it's almost impossible to make a direct theoretical prediction. What do? Well, I make theoretical predictions for these collisions by making some approximations that allow us to disentangle the collision or to break the collision up into pieces. In this thesis I explore 3 different ways in which that can be done, and they are all related to one underlying theme. And this theme is that particle collisions happen at very high energies, and what happens is that when you look at the particles that come out of such a collision is that you have some very high energy radiation in one direction, maybe some high energy radiation in another direction, and some low energy radiation. And it turns out that on a theoretical level you can consider these pieces separately. It's very useful that these collisions, or the different pieces in these collisions, decouple. Why is that? Well, if they didn't, it would be impossible to make any theoretical predictions. The fact that they decouple is very useful in that, one, some of the pieces may be calculable from theory, so you can just directly calculate them with pen and paper, or at some point using computers. And other pieces are inherently non-calculable, but it turns out that these pieces are often universal, which means that they appear for other observables in other experiments, allowing you to extract those pieces from those other experiments. Combining the pieces that were calculable with those you could get from other experiments allows you to make a full theory prediction for a certain collider observable. So the work that I have performed in this thesis allows you to improve predictions from the standard model, shrinking the theoretical uncertainties that you have on your prediction. By pushing the precision of the theoretical predictions to this extreme, you keep the theory uncertainties minimal, allowing you to claim discoveries when the data shows a deviation.